Hey guys, we received this wallet tracker card for test and try. So this is a rechargeable ultra thin wallet finder or the luggage tracker. I will say you can put in any place where you want to track that. And this is compatible with the Apple phones like iOS with their Find My app. So you can see like it's a very thin card. It have an inbuilt battery as well. You need to use the wireless charger to charge this smart tracker card and then use it anywhere you want. So this is the manual that describes the process and also you can see it anywhere. So this is a inbuilt button as well that you need to charge. But first I will show you the charging so that you can see that how this thing works. So you need to put it on a wireless charger and you can see the red dot that says like it start charging. Once all the charging done, it will stop the red light. Now let me just do the Find My app. So it will recognize it as a smart card. Just give a name and this is all set. So now I can play the sound. I can track that with the map and do all the other things. You can see this blue light. So a very nice smart tracker that you can use anywhere.